How to develop a WBS for better project resource allocation. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. It would be chaos, right? The same goes for managing a project without a clear work breakdown structure. Developing a work breakdown structure is like creating that blueprint, helping you see all the work involved and how it fits together. It starts with understanding the project scope, which is the overall goal, and what the project aims to deliver. You need to know exactly what the project will produce, whether it's a new software, a building, or a product. This scope is usually written in the project charter and sets the boundaries for everything that follows. Once you have that, you can break the project into major phases or deliverables. For example, if you're building a website, your phases might be planning, designing, developing, testing, and launching. Alternatively, you can focus on deliverables like the home page, contact page, and shopping cart. You then take each of these big pieces and split them into smaller parts called sub-deliverables. For example, designing the homepage might include wireframes, visual design, and content creation. Each sub-deliverable is then broken down further into work packages. These are the smallest tasks, like writing the homepage content or creating the logo. Each work package should be clear enough so you can estimate how much time, money, and people are needed. Assigning responsibility is key. For each work package, you need to know who will do the work. This helps match skills and availability to the tasks. When you have a detailed WBS, it becomes easier to see where resources are needed most. You can estimate the resources for each work package more accurately, avoiding overallocation or underuse. It also helps identify task dependencies so you know what needs to be finished before starting the next step. Using the WBS as a guide, project managers can plan resource needs better, assign tasks effectively, and keep track of progress. It acts as a visual map of all the work, making it easier to communicate with team members and stakeholders. Plus, it supports cost estimation because you can link specific resources to each deliverable. To develop a WBS that improves resource allocation, start with a clear project scope, break it down into manageable parts, detail each task, and assign responsibility. This structured approach ensures resources are used wisely, and the project stays on track from start to finish.